Just like the River Severn, the history of this area's place names can meander. So it's nice to come to somewhere as simple and uncomplicated as Newtown. The meaning, well, it's a town and it's new. See you next time. It's not as simple as that. The name appeared first in English, Newtown, in the 13th century. And although a Latin version, Nova Villa, is documented around about the same time, today we have Newtown. And that's translated into the Welsh, Drenewydd. But there was another name for this place before then, Llanfair Cydewain was the ancient name for this part of the kingdom of Powys, and the name still exists today in the nearby village Betws Cydewain. Llanfair was a small village back then with the houses clustered around the church, or llan. Both names were used side by side at one time, and in 1478 it's documented that this place was called the new town of Cydewen. The ruins of Llanfair Church are still here. It's not used as a place of worship anymore, partly because it was flooded so often by the Severn, and also it was just too small, and the new, bigger church was built in the 19th century. But there's another twist to this place name's tale, because by coincidence, in the 20th century, it was known for the second time as a new town. After the Second World War, new towns and homes were needed for people to live in. And an Act of Parliament was passed in 1946 called the New Towns Act. The idea was to move people from poor areas with poor housing, or due to the bombing, no housing at all, to new homes in new towns. Two places in Wales were mentioned in this act, Cwmbran and Newtown. It's worth noting that it's Drenewydd in Welsh, the new town. Not that it gets its full title often, because people tend to say just Drenewydd. But there's a reason for the in Drenewydd, because this is the new town, not just any old new town. I told you it wasn't as simple as that, didn't I?